There. Hi YouTube, this is Franktopia here, and now I'm going to be doing a video showing you my action figure review of Power Rangers Lightning Collection Zeo Blue Ranger. Yes, I got the comic came for yesterday in Sunrise Mall for $28.99. And it was the last one. The top it says, warning. Choking hazard, small parts, not for children under 3 years. It says 4+. It's released by Hasbro logo on there. Okay, Zeo Blue Ranger comes with the accessories, which includes the interchangeable hands, blaster, a sword, the electric effects, and the civilian head for the actor Steve Cardenas, who has played the role of the Rocky DeSantos in a TV series. So here's the front, side, other side. It says Power Rangers Zeo logo on there. Saban's Power Rangers Zeo logo. Excuse me. The top, the bottom. It says made in China. And the back. There's no bio on this figure of this box whatsoever, but that's okay. English warning, small parts. Made in China. And the Hasbro logo are the same. But anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and get this unboxing right now. Almost finished. There we go. Okay, so here's the front and the back of this figure. Swivel side to side, which will go up and downward. Arms will go forward, backwards, butterfly joints, arm swivel, double jointed elbows, which will go up and down, swivel side to side. Hip articulations, hear her clicking sound. Ab crunch. It's very tight. Legs will go forwards, backwards movements. Whoa. Thigh swivel. It is very tight. Double jointed knees. Boot cut articulation. Ankles will go. and down is very tight. It does have ankle rockers. And no, Zeo Blue Ranger doesn't come with the signature weapons. So I can't wait to get it until the upcoming Power Rangers Lightning Collection Zeo Kongs figure as soon as I can. Put this blaster on. Yeah. Let go. Let go. Oh, oh well. 1 more. There. Alright, guys. Oh, wait. Whoops. Here he is alongside with Zeo Green Ranger. And we're missing Zeo Red Ranger, the Zeo Gold Ranger, the Zeo Yellow Ranger, and last but not least, the Zeo Pink Ranger, alongside with Mighty Morphin Pink Ranger 2-pack from the GameStop exclusive, which I do not have these figures to complete as a team yet, but hopefully able to pick up some more action figures as soon as I can. Alright guys, well, like, comment, and subscribe, and then let me know in the comment section below. Alright, bye!